While I walk around my Bonanza, let me point out how beautiful she looks, many years younger than her age because she has lived for most of her life inside her hangar. Her performance is outstanding because of a Ram engine that has about 650 hours. Also, Gaminjectors. Her interior upholstery and carpet has been redone, and there have been many additions to the panel, which include the Garmin 500 WAAS GPS and a PS Engineering audio panel. All 6 seats have headset intercom ports, and we've given her loving care for the past 40 years. Call me if you want to adopt and love her. The specs on her are an A36 serial number E1205. She has a Ram TCM IO 520BB with nickel cylinders at 250 horsepower, installed by Cruiseair in Ramona in 2011. And she's been flown approximately 656 hours since then. The airframe time is approximately 5,500 hours, and the Tach on April 20th was 3,265. She has Gaminjectors, a 6-cylinder engine monitor, a Sentry III Autopilot, with a traditional 6-pack with an HSI. She has 1 Collins radio and VOR, and the Garmin 500 GPS-WAAS, PS Engineering audio panel, an Artex ELT 345 system, McCauley 3-blade propeller, Rosen sun visors. Tires and Concorde battery were replaced about 2 years ago.